Retirement, or heading towards it, means more time that's actually yours. Some days that's getting out for a walk, seeing family, travelling, fishing, caravanning. Other days you're at home, the weather's rubbish, no one's around, and you want something a bit more interesting than just TV. That's where flight simulation can come in, a hobby that lets you fly anywhere in the world from your own chair right at home. Let me show you how. Some days you might take a calm, sightseeing flight in a small aircraft over the coast, the outback, or even your own hometown. Other days you might jump into a big jet and manage an approach into a busy airport, giving your brain a proper workout. There's always a new destination or challenge, so the days don't all feel exactly the same. You don't have to sit inside for hours. You can do a quick 15-20 minute hop before heading out, or after you've been out and about. On quieter days, when you've already done your walking and run your errands and you're home again, you can settle in for a longer flight if you feel like it. You're in control, real life first. This hobby fills the gaps. You can start very simple, easy settings, basic aircraft, let the computer handle the tricky bits, and just enjoy the view. If you want more later, you can slowly add navigation, weather, fuel planning, more advanced aircraft, one small step at a time. Unlike just watching the television, you're thinking, planning, and reacting. A nice bit of mental challenge alongside the more relaxed side of retirement. If you're thinking, I'm useless with technology, I will never manage this, you start simple, you get used to just one aircraft, you press the same few buttons, and you rinse and repeat. So please, don't count yourself out before you've even had a go. If you like little projects between your out-of-the-house days, you can slowly build a simple home cockpit. A better joystick here, a throttle there, a few switches, maybe develop into a panel. You can tidy cables, mount a new bit of gear, tweak some settings, try new aircraft, import scenery. They're small wins that bring back that feeling of progress you might miss after leaving work. You can fly online with others, join group flights, or just chat in a flight sim community. You're still at home, in your own space, but you're not completely on your own. It's light, low-pressure contact you can dip into on those quieter evenings. Now, I don't want to run your parade, guys, but I've picked a few curly runways coming up.
Oh, great.
So,
Great.
this was one of the easier ones.
No, you're joking.
So, G-Man's going to have a lot of fun. G-Man, you might want to change aircraft. That's all right.
I like a challenge.
Now, flight simulation on its own won't give you that perfect retirement, and it definitely shouldn't replace the outdoors, your family, and importantly, your health. Keep the walks, the trips, the grandkids, the garden, the fishing, the caravanning. But when you come home and there's a little bit of a void, Flight Sim can turn that empty time into something you genuinely look forward to doing. Thanks once again for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favour, hit the like button, and if you are not yet subscribed, would you please do me that added favour? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you'll be fully informed every time I post some content. Look after yourselves. I'll catch you on the next one.